Hi, so what I got here is a shipment of Omaha steak, and I just wanted to give you an idea of what it comes in. So this is a huge styrofoam square box, and it's about 14 inches across, or 16 inches across. You can see this is a 1 foot ruler here, and it is about 10 inches high. So it's a 16 by 16 by 10 inch high box, and you can see it's all styrofoamed. It does have a label here. Right there you can see is the Omaha logo there. So it did take about 4 days from packing to 3 to 4 days. It's more like 3 days actually. It's packed on the 21st and it came on the 24th. So let me open it up and give you a look at how it looks inside. So this here is a 4 to 8 ounce fillet of prime rib. So pretty excited to see how it actually looks. So I've never gotten this is actually a present from my friend James. And I'm really curious as to how it actually looks. I've never had Omaha steak before, so alright, let's see. There's a sticker here. So the sticker says packed in dry ice or possibly packed in dry ice, frozen, highly perishable frozen products. And so the moment of truth, lifting this up here. Logo's on its side, and there you go. You can see that's how it looks. Right here. So it's a cooler. It's actually kind of like a reusable cooler, so that's interesting. And here is the prime rib. If I open up, you can see it says here 100 years, family owned. Tape here. Opening that up. Now there is like ice here. Ouch. So that, I think that is actually dry ice. So look at that. So let me zoom in. The original since 1917. I'm gonna zoom in here. And you can see pretty much that is the Omaha steak. Right there. Zooming in. Give you another look. So my fingers are still hurting a little bit from touching that dry ice. My fingertips. But overall, give you a look at the meat. There's a good picture of it. So there you have it. That is the Omaha steak delivery and the cooler that it comes in. And I hope this helped, and please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.